What if you could transform raw data into clear business strategies that drive innovation and growth? Today, many companies are overwhelmed by data, but they lack skilled professionals who can quickly analyze complex patterns, extract insights, and recommend smart decisions that impact the bottom line. At SCIT, I got hands-on experience working on real-world projects. For example, forecasting sales trends for a major retail client using machine learning algorithms. This practical work, guided by industry mentors, allowed me to bridge the gap between theory and real business impact. SCIT's focused curriculum and live project exposure have prepared me confidently translate complex data into strategies that help businesses stay ahead in fast-changing markets. With SCIT, I'm not just learning data science, I'm becoming a strategic problem solver, ready to lead data-driven transformation.